Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play as other characters in new Super Mario Bros. Wii. To begin, up to 4 players can join the fun simultaneously. Player 1 will always take on the role of Mario, the beloved hero in red. However, players 2, 3, and 4 have the exciting opportunity to select from a cast of other familiar faces, including Luigi, Blue Toad, and Yellow Toad, adding variety to your adventure. To select your character, first ensure all 4 Wii remotes are connected and ready to go before you even start a new game file. Once player 1 begins, the other players simply need to press the button on their respective Wii remotes to join the action. The game then automatically assigns the next available character, cycling through Luigi, Blue Toad, and Yellow Toad for players 2, 3, and 4 respectively, making it super easy to jump in. It's important to understand that all playable characters in New Super Mario Bros. Wii share the exact same core abilities and power-up functionalities. Whether you're playing as Mario, Luigi, Blue Toad, or Yellow Toad, your character will jump, run, and utilize every collected power-up in precisely the same way. There are no unique character-specific moves or special attributes, ensuring a balanced and fair gameplay experience for everyone involved, regardless of who you choose. Playing New Super Mario Bros. Wii with friends as different characters truly elevates the experience. The game shines in its multiplayer mode, allowing for both exciting cooperative efforts to clear challenging levels and friendly competition for the highest score. Experiment with various character combinations among your group of up to 4 players. This adds a dynamic and engaging layer to the classic Mario adventure, making every playthrough unique and memorable for everyone involved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.